Hello dear students, in this video we learn about the various operations on matrices. We'll start with the addition operation. For addition of two matrices, the two matrices should be of same order and the addition is carried out by adding the corresponding elements of the two matrices. We'll take an example for this. The matrix A and B both have 2 rows and 3 columns, that is their order is 2 cross 3. So for adding these two matrices we need to add the corresponding entries, that is A11 entry of matrix A with A11 entry of the matrix B. So 0 plus 1 will result in 1. Similarly A12 entry of both the matrices is to be added. A13 entry of both the matrices to be added. We can same way add the entries in the second row of both the matrices. Next is the difference of the matrices. As in the addition operation, the difference of two matrices is also possible if both the matrices they are of the same order, and for finding the difference of matrices, we simply need to subtract the corresponding entries in both the matrices. That is, subtract the A11 entry of both the matrices. Similarly, A12 entry, A13, and same for the second row. Next is the scalar multiplication. That is, we need to multiply the matrix A with a scalar where scalar K can be any real or a complex number. Here the matrix A is given to us and the scalar K is chosen as 4. That is, we have to multiply each element of the matrix A with 4. So if we multiply 3 with 4, the answer is 12. Similarly, I multiply 1 with 4, the answer is again 4. We can do the same for the remaining entries of the matrix A. Next is the multiplication of two matrices. Multiplication of two matrices is only possible if the number of columns of the first matrix is same as the number of rows of the second matrix. That is, here we are given the order of matrix A is m cross n and the order of matrix B is n cross p. So this matrix multiplication is possible. Here note that the order of the resulting matrix is m cross p, where m stands for the number of rows in matrix A and the number of columns in matrix B. We'll take an example for this. Here the matrix A is of order 2 cross 3. The matrix B is of order 3 cross 2. That is, the number of columns in matrix A and the number of rows in matrix B are same. So the matrix multiplication is possible and the resulting matrix will be of order 2 cross 2. For multiplication, we need to choose the first row of matrix A and the first column of the matrix B. We'll multiply the corresponding entries in both these rows and columns, that is 2 into 3, and add the next corresponding multiplication of the two entries, that is 3 into 2. Similarly, 7 into minus 2 is minus 14 and we'll add it to the previous value only. This will give us the A11 entry of the product of these two matrices. That is, by multiplying the first row with the first column, we'll get the A11 entry. Similarly, if I multiply the first row of A with the second column of B, that is, multiply the corresponding entries and add all these entries, then I'll obtain the A12 entry of the product AB. Similarly, I can multiply the second row with the first column and the second row of A with the second column of B, and in this way we can get the multiplication of two matrices. Now you can solve the various examples and check your progress also. So happy learning to you.